Most people who start a home business spend their first month building stuff they don't actually need yet. Funnels, automations, email sequences, all of it before they've made a single dollar. And then they hit week 6 wondering why this feels harder than the job they were trying to leave. I want to talk to you about why that happens and how to avoid it. I checked out a lot of the free training out there, SBA courses, Moby from the Santa Clara University, Grow with Google, reviews on Reddit, the whole thing. And what I kept running into wasn't a lack of information. There's plenty of that out there. What was missing was something simpler, a way to know if you're actually ready to start before you spend another weekend staring at a landing page builder. So here are the 3 questions I'd ask before committing to anything. Not a course, not a checklist, just 3 things. And the third one, I almost never hear people talking about. And honestly, it might be the most important. Step number 1, the offer math. Does the offer actually pay enough per customer to be worth your time? This sounds obvious until you're 6 weeks in and you've made a few sales and the numbers still don't add up. Small commissions, one-time payouts, no repeat business. You end up needing a massive audience just to cover your expenses. And if you're just starting out, you probably just don't have that yet. So before anything else, how much does one customer actually put into your pocket? And can you build something real on that number without needing hundreds of sales a month? That question alone filters out most of the noise. Number 2, who's actually doing the selling? A lot of people get into programs because they genuinely believe in what they're selling. That's good. But then they find out the whole business model depends on them being on the phone constantly, following up, handling objections, manually chasing every single lead. If that's what's required, just be honest with yourself about it. Is that really sustainable? Or is there a system that actually does the presenting and the closing for you? Or is it all on you? Because if it's all on you, that's not a business. That's just a different job. Number 3, is there real support? This is the one that nobody talks about. It's the part that comes up over and over again in forums from people who've been burned before. They joined something and then their upline disappeared. They're left with a course, a library, and good luck. The real question is, are there real people coaching you live? Not just a Facebook group, not just pre-recorded modules, actual scheduled calls with people who show up consistently and know what they're doing. The best programs I've seen, and this is backed up by places like Coursera, best colleges, they describe effective small business training, combine technical content with structured, ongoing human support, not just a content library that you're left alone to figure out. So, before you sign up for anything, can you verify that there's live coaching? Can you see when the calls happen and who's running them? If the answer is vague, that's worth paying attention to. Quick recap: before you spend more time on tech setup or more money on a program, ask yourself 3 things. Does the offer pay enough? Something that you can build something real with just a small number of customers? Is there a system doing the selling? Or does all of that fall on you? Are there actual humans showing up live to help you when you get stuck? If you can say yes to all 3, it's probably worth your time. There's a specific system I've looked at that checks all of those boxes. And the link is in the show notes if you want to take a look at it. It's the Home Business Academy. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more information on how to reboot your retirement.